This is the chapter 11 menstruation, and this is the fifth video and last video of this chapter. In the last video, which is the fourth part, in that we have learned about the solid shapes, cuboid, cube and cylinder. These three figures we have discussed. We have discussed the total surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder, also lateral or curved surface area of a cylinder. Apart from this, we also discussed about the volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. So in the fourth video, whatever we learned, we implement in this video. We discussed the question based on total surface area, lateral or curved surface area of a cylinder and volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. So in the given video, we will discuss few questions which is based on cuboid, cube and cylinder. So let us solve few questions based on these topics. Student, this is the question. Find the surface area and volume of following. These are the solid figures given to you in front of you. This is cube and that is cuboid. You have to find the surface area and the volume of these two figures. Okay, firstly we solve the first one. Cube with a side 4 cm. So here the side is given to you and all the side of the cube is same. So the shape of the cube is like this type. This is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. The length of all the edges will be 4. So the surface area of cube is 6 L square. So and here you can say side. You can also write 6 into side square. 6 into side square like this. Okay. So what the side? Side is given to you 4 cm. So 4 square. So here it is 4 4 ja 16, 66 ja 96, and here it is centimeter. So it is centimeter square because this is area and area is always in square. So that is centimeter square. Now the volume of the cube is volume of cube. The formula of volume of cube is side cube, side into side into side, side cube. Here we have 4 into 4 into 4. This is equal to 64. And this is volume, and volume is always in cube. Power 1, power 1, power 1. Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So the unit will be centimeter cube. Now we are moved to this second part. Cuboid with sides 8 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm. These are the dimension of this cuboid, and cuboid is look like somewhat this type. 8 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm. The surface area of cuboid is length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Now that is 8 into 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 8. So it will be 8 3s are 24, 3 2s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. 24 plus 6 30 and 30 plus 16 46. And the unit is centimeter and this is area, so centimeter square. Now we move to the volume part. Volume of cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. So we have 8 into 3 into 2. So 8 3s are 24 into 2. This is 48. Unit is centimeter and this is volume. So the unit is centimeter cube. Student, a cylinder is given to you. According to the question, the diameter of a cylinder is 7 cm and the height of a cylinder is 14 cm. This is the cylinder for which you have to find the lateral or curved surface area and total surface area, and finally we will calculate the volume of the cylinder. If you see this diagram, according to the question, diameter of the cylinder is given to you, that is 7 centimeter, because these two are the circular surface of the cylinder. And this curved surface, this curved surface, this is height is given, that is 14 centimeter. Now for finding the lateral surface area or total surface area or the volume, we need a radius. As you know that for the radius we have to divide the diameter from the 2, or you can say that diameter is the twice of radius. So lateral or curved surface area of the cylinder, which is this area, this one, the area of this portion is 2 pi r h. Okay, now put the values. 2 into the value of pi is 22/7, or you can put 3.14, and the radius is the half of the diameter. What is the value of diameter? That is 7 centimeter. So here we have to put 7/2, and the height is 14 centimeter. Now calculate this. 2 cancel out, 7 7. Here we have 22 into 4, 22 into 14, 308. This is the values are in centimeter and it is area, so the unit will be centimeter square. Okay student, now here we have to find the total surface area of cylinder, which included this curved part as well as this circular part. Okay, this one, this one, this one. This is called the total surface area of cylinder, which is 2 pi r plus h. Now we have 2 into 22/7. Radius is 7/2, and here 7/2 plus 14. This 2 cancel out, 7 7 cancel out. We have 22, and this is 3.5 plus 14. We have 22 into 17.5. When we multiply 22 with 17.5, we have 385. Again see, this is in centimeter and this is area. So here the unit is centimeter square. Now we have to find the volume of the cylinder. This is the entire capacity of the cylinder. So the formula of volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So now we will put the value. Pi 22/7, radius square 7/2 into 7/2, and height 14. 2 11 times, 7 7 cancel out, 2 7s are 14. Here we have 11 into 7 into 7. This will be 11 into 49 equal 539. And now this is the volume. If we see, this is a square and this, the power of this is 1. So 2 plus 1 3. It means the unit will be centimeter cube.